A convicted New England paedophile, Michael Bolderston, from Peterborough, has been sentenced to over 11 years in prison following a police examination of his gadgets, which uncovered more than 1,600 obscene photographs and films of minors. On April 4, specialist police responsible for managing sexual offenders visited Michael Bolderston, 61, at his residence. Subsequent to a prior conviction for offences related to children, Michael Bolderston was mandated to comply with the notification stipulations of the Sex Offenders Act 2003, in addition to a Sexual Harm Prevention Order, SHPO, that was imposed in March 2016. The SHPO mandated that he must refrain from utilising any gadget with internet connectivity unless it has the ability to record and exhibit the history of online usage. It further said that law enforcement should be informed of every gadget he possesses that is capable of accessing the internet. During the visit to Michael Bolderston's residence on Lincoln Road, New England, Peterborough, investigators discovered 2 mobile phones concealed behind a sofa cushion, which, despite possessing internet connectivity, had not been disclosed to the police, so violating his SHPO. Michael Bolderston removed his internet search history before March 2025, despite the phone being operational since October 2023, so further violating his SHPO. 2 mobile phones were confiscated, and police investigations uncovered over 1,600 photographs and videos of minors, with more than 1,100 classified as Category A, the most severe classification. Michael Bolderston's phone indicated that he had employed aliases in his internet activities, thereby further violating his notification obligations by failing to register these alias identities with the police. Michael Bolderston, under a pseudonym, sought to engage in sexual communication with an individual he presumed to be an 11-year-old girl, transmitting explicit photographs and deliberating on plans to meet for sexual encounters. Michael Bolderston utilized an online chat room to converse with what he presumed to be an adult female with 3 children aged 11 and younger. Michael Bolderston requested the woman to enable the sexual exploitation of her 3 children, all of whom were under the age of 11. He outlined plans to meet the youngsters, detailing his intended actions during the encounter, and requested that the girls wear their school uniforms without undergarments. On Friday, August 1, at Huntingdon Law Courts, Michael Bolderston was sentenced to 11 years and 4 months after pleading guilty to 3 counts of producing indecent images of a child, 2 counts of violating a Sexual Harm Prevention Order, SHPO, 1 count of attempting to engage in sexual communication with a child, and 1 count of arranging or facilitating the commission of a child sex offense. He was also issued an indefinite Sexual Harm Prevention Order to oversee any future offenses. Judicial sentencing. Judge Seeley characterized Michael Bolderston as a highly perilous offender and deemed the case profoundly concerning.